Here you have it, guys. 1969 Dodge SuperBee. It does have a 472 Hemi in it. Every nut and bolt has been restored and completed in 2025. We received this car from the guy who built it, so we know everything about it, and if we don't, he will. He did this on a rotisserie restoration, top shelf, open checkbook, and did a beautiful, beautiful restoration. I'm trying to hire him to build my Dodge Charger. It's like having a hard time. He's not saying yes to me. But anyway, this thing is straight as an arrow. Everything on this 69 is brand spanking new. And everything functions on the car as it should. The engine compartment is show quality, just like everything else. And yes, it is a 4-speed manual transmission. Please go ahead and check out my photos so you can see the underneath belly of the car, the beautiful trunk under the engine compartment, or should I say under the hood. Just simply a masterpiece. This car will impress you in every way, shape, and form. Now, originally, this was not a Hemi car. This was a 383 car. Wow. $21 miles. Everywhere you turn, it's perfect. It is that beautiful. This is like walking into a Dodge store in 1969 and seeing this. It's incredible. As you can see, it's a factory H code. Wow. Amazing. The Holy Grail. So obviously this 462, or should I say this 426, was bored and stroked to a 472. But look how clean and perfect everything lays down here. Look at this core support. I mean, wow. Just a piece of artwork. Kevin, you did an incredible job on this restoration. It's unbelievable. I love it. Indie setup. MSD setup. Will Wood setup. This bee's ready to fly, man. All the trim, the chrome, every piece is brand new. Well, there you have it, folks. If you guys need financing, it's not a problem. You will need good credit. You can see the application. You can review my credit application at mgmclassiccars.com. You will need 10% down of the purchase price of the vehicle only, okay? We have long-term financing that can get your payment to be affordable as well. Rates do start, as of today, a little bit above 7%, and they go up from there. For those of you who have a credit score of over 800, we have a no money down option. You can also roll in your sales tax and you can roll in your delivery charges into the loan if needed. If you need delivery, call me or text me, 847-848-1850. And one lucky person is going to own this brand new 1969 Dodge SuperBee Hemi 4-speed. Talk soon. My name is Thomas.